Critique the role of data visualization in the decision-making process. How can misleading visualizations impact decisions? Data visualization plays a crucial role in the decision-making process by providing a clear and concise way to present complex data, helping stakeholders to understand patterns, trends, and correlations that direct strategic actions. However, misleading visualizations can significantly impact decision-making by presenting inaccurate, biased, or misinterpreted data outcomes. Misleading elements might include inappropriate use of scales, omitting relevant data, choosing unsuitable graph types that obscure relationships, or manipulating the visual impression to emphasize a particular viewpoint. Such distortions can lead to wrong decisions, misallocation of resources, or failure to address important issues, ultimately affecting the outcome of projects or business strategies negatively. Analyze the impact of ggplot2's grammar of graphics approach on the evolution of data visualization practices in R. The introduction of ggplot2 and its grammar of graphics approach has significantly influenced data visualization practices in R. This framework decomposes plots into semantic components such as scales, layers, and coordinates, which can be systematically manipulated to create a wide range of graphics tailored to specific analysis needs. Before ggplot2, our graphics were often less intuitive and required extensive coding to customize plots, which could be cumbersome and less accessible to less experienced users. The ggplot2 approach has democratized data visualization by enabling even novice users to create advanced visualizations easily. It has fostered innovation and creativity in data presentation, encouraging users to think more deeply about the information and how best to represent it visually. This has not only enhanced the quality of visual data representation in R but also promoted a better understanding of data visualization as a critical component of data analysis.